Hi guys. Wow, the lighting in here is really bad. I didn't know that it was this bad. Let's see. Yeah, I need to fix that, but not today. So I've just been here, you know, um in Zimbabwe. I came back like in December. I came back from Dubai in October, and then I went to Zambia in November for a month, and then I came back to Zimbabwe in December, and I've just been here since, which is which has been like a roller coaster, but we move. Um, I just decided to do like a vlog because last week I kind of left the house like 2 consecutive days, and I felt like, you know what, let me just give people just a little bit of like a life in Zimbabwe. Although I never do anything, like I'm always in the house all the time, this is my sanctuary. Like, this is how I am throughout the day, throughout the week. And then I just leave the house for, fresh air, maybe once in a while. So, yeah. So, in this video, I'm just going to put some videos. I did take some videos when I was in Zambia and in Dubai, which I was editing, but I don't know, there was a problem with like the editing app and stuff, and then I just left it like that because I don't like stress, honestly. But yeah, um, so in this vlog, I'm just going to be showing you some of the things that I do when I'm in Zimbabwe. Um, Also, I kind of want to talk about like the year and stuff. Huh. This year I wanted to have resolutions and stuff, but I think it just puts me in a bubble, where I feel like I have to do specific things. Although it does help to give me a certain direction with what I want to do with my life this year. To be honest, I'm just open to it. I'm just trying to keep an open mindset and not, put myself in a box. But I think I just want like personal and spiritual growth, career as well. Those are like my main priorities, and travel a bit more. Last year was a lot of like unplanned traveling, So this year I want to be intentional with my traveling, like to make sure that um, I'm going somewhere for a specific reason and to plan for it. If it's my birthday, it's like if it's my friend's birthday, to see family or whatnot. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I don't want to make this vlog like too long, but I've been okay. Everything has been okay. Zimbabwe has been very chilled, and nothing really ever goes on in my life when I'm in Zimbabwe, to be honest, because I don't really have a lot of people here who I can hang out with. And if I'm hanging out, like I'm probably by myself or with like one or two specific people. But they have their lives in Zimbabwe, so it's like you can't be bending over backwards just to be accommodative. But yeah, that was TMI, but reality. But yeah, I do love it here a little bit. Not too much, but it's manageable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I don't know if I've already put like the other parts of the video in the beginning, or like you know this part at the beginning, but whatever it is, just like I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are having a splendid 2026, and I am just praying that you have the most beautiful year filled with abundance and blessings and all the good things that life has to offer. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. All right, thank you guys. Bye.